Hello friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. So in this video our topic is big omega notations. In this video we solve how to find big omega notation for the following functions. Before let's see the solution of this problem, I will tell you some about knowledge of big omega notation. So what is big omega notation? Let's see what is big omega notation first. So what is big omega notation? Big omega notation give a lower bound for a function fn within a constant factor. We write fn is equal to omega gn if there are positive constant n node and c such that to the right n node the function fn always lies on above c into gn. This is the definition of the big omega notation. Big omega notation give a lower bound for a function to within a constant factor and right with fn is equal to omega gn. So look the graph of big omega notations. So this is the graph of big omega notation. In this denote cgn, this is the line, and fn is the n node, and this here. And there are two conditions of big omega notations: fn greater than equal to cgn in the big O notation, fn less than is equal to cgn, and in the big omega notation fn greater than is equal to cgn. It is the difference between big O and big omega notation, and fn belong to omega gn. So now let's see the solution of the problem. So let's see the solution of this problem. Our function is fn is equal to 5n cube plus n square plus 3n plus 2. So कंडीशन ऑफ बिग ओमेगा नोटेशन fn ग्रेटर देन इज इक्वल टू cgn. इसे आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो cgn लेस देन इज इक्वल टू fn. बात एक ही है दोनों की, ठीक है. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ बिग ओमेगा नोटेशंस. नाउ let's first step of the solutions. Our first step is a final step. It is a very simple to solve this type of questions. So find the big omega notation on this problem. First we check by the applied theorem we check in this function our order of polynomial. Our order of polynomial is n cube is the high power of the order of polynomial. So write this here 5n cube लेस देन इज इक्वल टू फंक्शन पूरा लिख देंगे यहाँ पर फंक्शन 5n क्यूब प्लस n स्क्वायर प्लस 3n प्लस 2. सो व्हाट आई डू इन दिस वी चेक our order of polynomial n cube is a greater than, so write in this side, and both of remaining function write this side. So in this our values, we now find the values of cgn and fn. This is the value of c value is here 5 and gn value is n cube. So this is the value of c is equal to 5, gn is equal to n cube. cgn fn is equal to cgn है, तो ये वैल्यू क्या है cgn. c is equal to 5, gn is equal to n cube. fn is equal to omega big omega n cube, which is our last condition of this problem. So this is the solution of this problem. It is a simple way to find the big omega notations. I hope you understand very well. Please subscribe my channel for more lectures. In the description link I will give to click their links and watch my lectures. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.